Welcome to our world of furniture making, our manufacturing unit where we have transformed many a home in the past 7 years. Today, we will be giving you a tour of our home where dreams are made. We have a dedicated 10,000 square feet factory with an in-house team of 50 creators. Let's have a quick look at the process we follow. First, the boards are cleaned and application of adhesive is done uniformly so that the laminates can be placed properly. Then we put those pasted boards in the cold press machine and is kept for a minimum of 8 hours for tamper-proof binding. Next, the whole board is transferred to our high-precision panel saw, where each board is cut into pieces as per their respective measurements. After this, we will be moving on to the automatic edge bander, which binds all the edges of the furniture pieces with PVC bands, thus assuring a long life to our modular furnitures. Then, we will be using the boring machine to drill the pieces and make them ready for their respective fittings. And finally, to ensure a hassle-free installation, each and every wooden piece and fitting is tested, forming the respective modular structures to maintain our consistency and solve any possible quirks before shipping. We leave no stones unturned to ensure you the best quality possible. All the pieces are then packed, labeled and made ready for dispatch. We have been working tirelessly from our inception, creating challenging and creative designs, converting thousands of houses into homes, and turning dreams into reality. Because we at Asense believe that quality is not only our priority, it's our responsibility.